given any information about the documents pertaining to the bank accounts in question, which were contained in the alleged leaked document, which contained the peso and dollar bank accounts information of the Chief Justice?
No one has ever given any information to anyone, Your Honor, in the branch.
In any form?
In any form, Your Honor.
Yes. And you also mentioned in your testimony that there was an ongoing internal investigation of the bank regarding this reported leak. Is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes. May we know when the investigation started and the status of the investigation?
I think Mr. Garcia would be the best person to answer that because he ordered it, Your Honor.
He ordered the investigation upon finding out about the leaked documents.
Actually, he was the one who informed me that they did an investigation.
Mm-hmm. May we know what kind of questions were asked of you regarding the reported leaked documents?
Well, they asked us who accessed the vault, things like that. And they checked on the documents and they noticed that there were markings. And maybe you could...
you can just kindly answer it to the best of your knowledge and ability?
Yes.
So just continue telling me what you're saying.
If I may recall, the audit performed the investigation on the side, and with regard to asking us, they just asked us point blank if we had anything to do with it, and we did not.
Have not, did not?
We have not. We have not
In your
done
recollection?
anything about it. I mean, we did not do anything to leak or give out any information or any document to any person.
Did anyone outside of the four of you ask for information regarding the bank documents of CJ Corona which were in the vault? Has anyone approached you? Did anyone ask for information?
Outside of the four of us, Your Honor.
Yes.
It was just in the office of the President, from the office of the President, Your Honor.
When the investigation was ongoing?
It actually started when the accounts were closed, Your Honor.
When the accounts were closed, information was requested from bank officials.
Yes, Your Honor.
And this was in connection with the ongoing internal audit or investigation.
It was not related to the leaked document.
This is precede the leaked document occurrence or after?
When we were asked of the certain information, it was by the senior officers, Your Honor, because there was a withdrawal. So we were just requesting for approval. That was it. But to other persons not authorized, we never disclosed anything or gave out anything.
Yes. So you categorically state that you
Yes, I
or the
categorically
three others did not give any information, even verbally, or in any shape, manner, or form to anyone.
Yes, Your Honor.
But can you also categorically state that no one has actually asked you for information, or were there persons or a person who attempted to secure information from you or any of the three who have access to the vaults?
Your Honor, may I consult my counsel?
Yes, you may.
May I ask the presiding judge to consult the counsel?
Proceed.
Mr. Chairman.
I only have 10 seconds. Logbook na lang. Tapos, dahil siguro pag ako maikli, pag iba mahaba. Okay.
Your Honor, if I may, there was a certain person who approached me. He went to the branch.
Who is this person?
Congressman Banal.
Who is Congressman Banal? Quezon City? An incumbent congressman?
I think.
May we just know the circumstances in which he went and what he asked you to produce for him?
He did not ask me to produce anything. He just asked if I could help. And then he presented sort of the photocopies.
Can you complete the story? Yes, so that I would not have to piece it together for all of us.
Okay.
Thank you.
He went to the branch, and then I thought he was going to open an account. Anyway, he presented himself, he introduced himself that he was congressman already, because I thought he was still a councilor. So he said that maybe we could help him, or I could help personally in my capacity. And then I said, I'm sorry, that's not possible.
What help did she ask you to do?
Just a guide on certain items in the documents that he was showing.
What document was that?
He showed me a photocopy similar to the one in Annex.
What
Okay.
photocopy of what document?
What photocopy of what document did he present to you?
Specimen signature card. But he was partly covering it, so I couldn't see everything there.
Can you just kindly repeat what he requested you to do and what kind of document he asked you to help him with, just for clarity?
It wasn't really clear what he wanted from me, but he was just asking if I could guide him through the document. Like, he was asking about certain items there, like if I can see.
May we know what date this was, if you recall?
It was a... I will try to recall, Your Honor, but... May I consult my counsel?
Just before your counsel, this is just a date. It doesn't need...
I cannot recall the date, Your Honor.
Was it last year in 2011 or 2012?
Just recently, Your Honor. Yes.
The month of January or
2012.
February? After New Year, within the month of January, or was it the month of February?
January.
In January. And did he
Latter
have
part.
latter part of January. Did he have a document similar to what is now referred to as Annex A?
I was not able to see the whole of it because it was partly covered.
But you said, if I recall, a few
Just,
minutes ago, that
may I
there was a
just,
document similar to
With
Annex
the
A.
permission of the lady senator. When you say partly covered,
He was covering it, Your Honor. He's doing like that.
Congressman Banal was covering the document?
He
Meaning
was
that she was
holding it.
hiding it from you?
He was doing like that, Your Honor. Para he was just showing like that. So,
Like that, I cannot understand what is like that.
Sorry.
Please describe the manner by which Congressman Banal showed you the document.
Your Honor, may I ask?
No,
Consult.
you answer the question.
He was holding a piece of, I don't know how many pages, I think two pages of white paper, and then he partly opened it and then just pointed out
What did
certain
you see
things.
when she opened it?
He asked about the...
What did you see when you opened?
It was a
when she
signature
opened it?
card, sir.
Huh?
Signature card
Of what?
of our bank. So I asked him where he got it.
Whose signature card was it?
He was apparently it
Whose
was,
signature card was it?
initially I did not see the name, Your Honor, and apparently it was under the name of Chief Justice Corona.
Of?
Of Chief Justice Corona, Your Honor.
Did she tell you that? Did that congressman tell
I
you
saw it, Your Honor, upon...
when she showed you the document? when the congressman showed you
It was,
just a minute.
sorry.
When the congressman showed you the document that she was partly covering, you saw that it was a signature card.
Yes, Your
And
Honor.
that the signature card was the signature card of the Chief Justice Corona.
Allegedly, there was a name
Precisely.
there, Your Honor.
It was allegedly the signature card
Yes.
of Justice Corona.
Yes, Your Honor.
You showed the imprint of that name on the signature card.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right? And she was covering it up.
Yes, Your Honor.
And what did she ask you to do? By way of help?
He asked about dollar signs, and I said it was blurred. Actually, it
She
was
asked
really
you
blurred.
about a dollar sign?
Yes, Your Honor.
How did she ask you this?
Well, actually, when
How did she ask you about the dollar sign?
what is this? Is this a dollar sign? Something like that.
Okay.
And then when I said I cannot help him, he just left.
When was that? When did